Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw one of the cutest creature on earth, a tiny chubby penguin. And here we have a little funny story for you while we draw, okay? One day a little penguin looked at the ice and said, everyone thinks I can only slide on ice, but today I want to become a masterpiece. So he found a pencil, tried to draw himself, but guess what? He only drew a big owl and said, wow, I'll look even cuter on paper. So today we are going to help that little penguin look even more adorable by learning how to draw a penguin step by step. Okay, so grab your pencil, paper, and I know you already starting drawing. Let's start drawing. Okay, don't waste time. Okay. And guys, there you go. Our cute little penguin is finally ready. Look at him standing there like he just won the best wedding hour of the year. Remember the little penguin from the story? Well, when he saw your drawing, he smiled and said, wow, I may not be able to fly, but today I become art. If you like drawing this penguin with me, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who love drawing cute animals. And tell me in the comments what animal should we draw next, okay? It's panda or fox and dog. Dog. Until next time, keep smiling, keep creating, and keep turning simple lines into amazing art. Okay, till then, oops. Okay, bye bye.